Right 4, don't cut, and left 3, 50. Right 5, medium tightens, and left 5, 40. Left 5 short for right 5. Bump over crest into left 6, tightens. And right 4, 30. Left 3 medium over bridge, 30. Right 3 over crest, 80. Right 4 tightens over crest into left 6, 80. Left 4 short, don't cut into right 4, keep in. Flat left, 40. Left 3, open long. Into flat right, 200, bumpy narrow. Right 6, tighten short, 50. Right 5 short over crest into left 6, 80. Left 5 into right 5, tightens, 3. And caution, brake for crest into square left into right 4. Into left 5 and left 1. Flat right, bumpy into right 2. Don't cut. And left 4 into right 3 open. 50. Caution, brake for right 1. Small cut into left 3. Open long over tarmac. Brake for right 3, tightens, don't cut over gravel, 50. Left 4, open. Into brake for square right. And left 4, long, tightens. Into flat right and left 6. Into right 5, short and right 4 over crest. Brake tightens, 3 short. Into left 4, open. And left 5, 80. Right 3, short, don't cut into left 5, 50, bumpy. Left 5, medium, tightened. Into right 5. Left 4 long over crest, tightens, 3 bumpy, 30. Right 3, keep in, narrows into flat left. Caution, square right at junction 50 over crest. Left 3, long open. Into flat right, tightens 3, 30. Right 6, short over crest, 50. Flat left long, tightens, 3. And right 4, small cut into flat left for finish.